look at Andy's new dog. Oh, doesn't he suit her?
Hello, baby.
This is little Olive.
With a Santa Claus outfit on. You're right.
She likes you, doesn't she?
She likes that honey on me breath, I think.
She's just started wagging her tail a bit more now.
Has she?
This is what you could have. Now you don't have a small dog.
When I get old and I can't control a large dog, I'll get one like you. Does she go out and about in public then, or?
I hadn't took her out. She just seems too small.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I mean, she'll wander around at home and she'll go in the pet shop and things, but she don't really go too far. She goes to James's with me and stays there. Say hello, Olive. You're very cute, aren't you? She does bark. She does bark quite a bit at home.
You're a good guard dog.
She's just spoilt.
You're spoiled. Have you seen any of her litter mates since you got her?
Yeah, Catherine's kept one, but somebody's wanting it, so she might be getting rid of it.
Right.
They're all boys.
Has she just got the one pug then, or does she actually have a few?
No, she's just got one. They're all black though, because the dad's black. The mum's fawn.
So black's more unusual, is it?
Yeah.
Don't she move, lovely?
I mean, Izzy's. James hates a tail like that, but that's all meant to be, isn't it?
I would think so, yeah. Do you want to go meet Gus? Would you like to meet Gus?
Looking the wrong way,